Hey guys, welcome back to another hiking adventure. Today, I'm on my second hike of my return trip to Prescott, Arizona. I am doing the Watson Dam hike as well as the Flume Trail. So I'm not sure how many miles I'm going to be hiking today or right now. It will definitely be over 2 at least. All right, so to give you an idea of what kind of trail I'm doing, I am going to hike all through here, the Flume Trail, all in this area. So I've reached the trail split, so I think I'll start off going right first. What a pretty phenomenal view of the rock dells all behind me. All right, so the trail is actually closed between here and here. Yeah, totally blocked off. All right, I'm gonna start going up this way. We got water. Up this way. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my hike through all the rock dells here on the Flume Trail. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would totally love to bring you with me on future hiking adventures, maybe around the Prescott, Arizona area or other parts of the nation. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time.